You don't need a camera. You don't need to show your face. You don't need a fancy studio or years of video editing experience. What you do need is the right AI tools, a clear process, and the willingness to show up consistently. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how faceless YouTube channels work, why they're one of the best online income opportunities available right now, and the step-by-step process to start your own, even if you've never made a video in your life. Let's get into it. A faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. A channel where the creator never appears on screen. Instead of a talking head, these channels use a combination of voiceovers, stock footage, screen recordings, animations, and AI-generated visuals to deliver content. You've almost certainly watched one without realizing it. Think about those channels that break down finance topics, explain tech news, or walk you through how to use a piece of software, often with a calm voiceover and clean visuals. That's the format, and the reason it works so well is simple. The content is what matters, not the face delivering it. Viewers come to YouTube for information, entertainment, and solutions to their problems. If your video gives them that, they don't care whether you showed your face or not. Here's something worth understanding. The barrier to creating high-quality video content has dropped dramatically in the last 2 years. AI tools can now write scripts, generate realistic voiceovers, source and edit footage, and even suggest thumbnails, all at a fraction of the cost it used to take. What once required a full production team can now be handled by one person, a laptop, and a handful of affordable tools. At the same time, YouTube itself is still growing. Over 500 hours of video are uploaded every single minute, but the demand for quality content in specific niches continues to outpace supply. That gap is your opportunity, and because faceless channels are so scalable, you can produce more content faster without burning out. They're particularly well suited to building a long-term income stream. Let's talk about income, because this is the part most people want to understand before they commit. There are 3 main ways a faceless YouTube channel generates revenue. The first is YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. From that point, YouTube places ads on your videos and pays you a share of that revenue. For channels in the AI and finance niche, the ad rates tend to be higher than average. The second is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend tools or products in your videos and earn a commission when someone signs up or buys through your link. This can generate income even before you're monetized, and for many channels, it ends up being the biggest earner long term. The third is digital products and sponsorships. As your channel grows, you can sell your own guides, templates, or courses, or attract brands who want to reach your audience directly. Most successful faceless channels use all 3, but affiliate marketing is usually the fastest way to see your first dollar, so it's worth setting that up early. Now let's get practical. Here are the core tools that power a modern faceless YouTube channel. First, you need something to write your scripts. ChatGPT or Claude work well here. Give them a topic, a target audience, and a rough structure, and you'll have a solid first draft in minutes. You'll still want to refine it and add your own angle, but the heavy lifting is done. Second, you need a voiceover tool. This is what turns your script into audio. 11 Labs is the industry leader right now. The voices sound genuinely human, and the quality is miles ahead of anything that existed just a few years ago. There's a free plan to get started, and paid plans are very affordable. Third, you need a video creation tool. InVideo AI is one of the best options for beginners. You can paste in your script, choose a style, and it will generate a full video with stock footage, captions, and music automatically. You then refine it to your liking. It takes the technical barrier almost completely out of the equation. Beyond those 3 core tools, you'll want a YouTube channel, a basic thumbnail tool like Canva, and somewhere to host your affiliate links, which can be as simple as a website or a link in bio page to start. That's genuinely all you need to launch. So, how does it all fit together? Here's the process from idea to published video. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick a topic you can cover consistently, that has an audience and that has monetization potential. AI tools, personal finance, productivity, and online business are all strong options right now. The more specific you can get within that niche, the easier it is to build an audience. Step 2. Research your video topic. Look at what's already performing well on YouTube in your niche. What questions are people asking? What titles are getting clicks? Use that as your starting point. Not to copy, but to understand what the audience actually wants. Step 3. Write your script. Use an AI writing tool to draft it, then refine it in your own voice. Aim for conversational, clear, and direct. Write like you're explaining something to a smart friend, not presenting a formal report. Step 4. Generate your voiceover. Paste your finished script into 11 Labs. Choose your voice and export the audio. Keep your delivery natural. Avoid anything that sounds robotic or overly formal. Step 5. Build your video. Import your audio into InVideo AI or your editor of choice and assemble the visuals. Stock footage, on-screen text, and simple transitions are all you need to start. Don't overcomplicate it. Step 6. Create your thumbnail and write your title. These two things drive your click-through rate more than anything else. Keep your title clear and benefit-focused. Make your thumbnail bold, simple, and readable at small size. Step 7. Upload and optimize. Write a solid video description, add relevant tags, and include your affiliate links where appropriate. Then publish and start working on the next one. I want to be straight with you here because there's a lot of hype around this topic. Faceless YouTube channels are a real and legitimate income opportunity, but they are not a get-rich-quick scheme. Most channels take 3 to 6 months of consistent posting before they start gaining real traction. The first few videos will likely get very few views. That's normal, and it doesn't mean you're doing something wrong. What separates the channels that make it from the ones that don't is almost always consistency. One video per week, published reliably with a focus on getting a little better each time, that compounds fast. The AI tools handle the heavy lifting. Your job is to stay in the game long enough for the results to show up. If you've made it this far, you now have everything you need to understand how faceless YouTube channels work and how to start building one. I've linked the tools mentioned in this video in the description below, including 11 Labs and InVideo AI, both of which I use personally for this channel. If you found this helpful, subscribe, because this channel is built around exactly this kind of content. AI tools, honest strategies, and real ways to build income online. I'll see you in the next one.